How to immigrate to a country with an aging population, the best opportunities for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a country that welcomes immigrants with open arms? Did you know that some nations actively seek new residents because their populations are aging? If you are a skilled worker, entrepreneur, or student, this could be your golden opportunity to move abroad. In today's video, we will explore how to immigrate to countries struggling with an aging population. We will cover the best countries to move to, visa options, job opportunities, and practical steps to get started. If you find this useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on global immigration. Number 1. Why countries with aging populations need immigrants. Before we dive into specific countries and visa programs, let us first understand why aging populations create a demand for immigrants. Many developed nations face a shrinking workforce due to low birth rates and increasing life expectancy. This means fewer young people are available to work, pay taxes, and support the economy. Governments are now looking for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and even students to fill the gap. If you have the right skills or business ideas, these countries want you. Number 2. Best countries to immigrate to with aging populations. Now, let us talk about the best countries where you can immigrate more easily due to aging populations. 1. Canada. Canada has one of the most immigrant-friendly policies. It actively recruits skilled workers through programs like the Express Entry System, the Provincial Nominee Program, and caregiver visas. With a labor shortage in healthcare, technology, and skilled trades, Canada is an excellent option for those looking to build a new life abroad. 2. Japan. Japan's population is declining rapidly, and the country is in dire need of young professionals. While traditionally strict on immigration, Japan has eased policies in recent years. There are now special work visas for engineers, caregivers, and skilled workers. If you have experience in healthcare or technology, Japan could be an ideal choice. 3. Germany. Germany has a shortage of young workers in many sectors, including healthcare, engineering, and IT. The country offers the EU Blue Card, job seeker, visas, and a pathway to permanent residency for skilled professionals. If you speak basic German and have in-demand skills, your chances of immigrating are even higher. 4. Italy. Italy is experiencing a population crisis, especially in rural areas. Some towns even offer financial incentives to newcomers willing to relocate and start businesses. Entrepreneurs, remote workers, and skilled professionals can take advantage of Italy's self-employment and investor visas. 5. Portugal. Portugal is another European country struggling with an aging population. It offers golden visas for investors, digital nomad visas, and residency options for retirees and skilled workers. With a low cost of living and access to the European Union, Portugal is an attractive destination for immigrants. 6. South Korea. South Korea is also dealing with a rapidly aging population. The government has introduced special work visas for professionals in technology, education, and healthcare. If you are a teacher, nurse, or IT specialist, South Korea offers great job opportunities and a chance to settle permanently. Number 3. How to immigrate step-by-step guide. Now that we have covered the best countries, let us go over the steps you need to take to immigrate successfully. Step 1. Research and choose the right country. Consider factors like job demand, salary, cost of living, and language barriers before deciding where to move. Step 2. Check visa and residency options. Each country has different visa programs. Some common options include skilled worker visas, job seeker visas, investor or entrepreneur visas, caregiver and healthcare worker visas, student visas with work permits _. Step 3. Apply for jobs in advance. Having a job offer can make the immigration process much easier. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and official government job boards. Step 4. Learn the language if needed. Some countries require basic language skills. Learning the local language can improve your chances of getting hired and settling in. Step 5. Prepare your documents and apply. Gather all necessary documents, including your passport, educational certificates, work experience letters, and financial statements. Step 6. Relocate and settle in. Once approved, plan your move, find housing, and connect with expat communities to make the transition smoother. So, there you have a complete guide on how to immigrate to a country with an aging population. These countries need young, skilled, and ambitious people like you to boost their economies. Which country interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips on global travel, work, and immigration. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.